C1 sequences example 4. In this example, we need to write out the first four terms in the following sequences. If we look at both of the sequences, we can see that they are both recurrence relations. So if you look at this one, we can see that it's using the term before it. And if we look at part B, it's using the term before it, and it's also using the term before that. So that's why it's called recurrence relations. So if you look at part A, un plus 1 is a term that we want to find. And un is the term that comes before it. So it's one term before it. So in order to find the term that we want, we've got to look at the term before it, and we've got to add on 4. So we've been told that u1, which is your first term, is 7. So in order to get the next term, which is the term you want, you've got to look at the term before it and add on 4. So to get the next term, I look at the term before it, which is 7. I add on 4, and I get 11. Now to get the next term, I'm going to look at the term before it, which is 11, add on 4, and I get 15. And to get the next term, I've got to look at the term before it, add on 4, and I get 19. For part B, un plus 2 is the one that you want to find. Un plus 1 is one term before it. And un is two terms before it. So in order to find the term that I want, I've got to do 2 multiplied by the term before it minus 2 terms that's before the one that I want. So if we look at this, u1, which is the first term, is 3. Your second term is 2. So to get the third term, which is the term that you want, you've got to do 2 multiplied by the term before it. So 2 multiplied by 2, which is 4, minus the term before that. So we do 4 minus the 3 to give you 1. Now to get the next term, I've got to do 2 multiplied by the term before it. So 2 multiplied by 1, which is 2, minus the term before it. So 2 minus 2, which gives me 0.